So, ayan guys, I'll be doing again unboxing of this stationery haul. These are assorted stationery items. So, ayan, papakita ko ulit sa inyo isa-isa. So, let's start na. So, ito yung una. This is cutting mat. So, ayan, meron na akong bigger size na cutting mat. Meron ding keychain. Then, next is itong mga washi tapes. Assorted washi tapes. So, ganyan siya kadami. Halo-halo siya. May special ink, may ordinary washi, tapos may mga pet na washi, tas yung paper type. I'll be doing another video na lang for this one. Papakita ko siya isa-isa. Then, ayun. Meron ulit washi tapes here. Naka-tape siya. Wait lang. I'll just remove the tape. So, ayan siya. Assorted washi tapes. These are Telado washi tapes. Ordinary lang siya na washi. Hindi siya yung special ink. So, ayan. Then, meron din pala akong Care Bears na blind box dito. Nakalimutan ko na to. So, ayan. Sana makuha ko tong pink. Si Cheer Bear o kaya si Share Bear. Then, mga stickers na to ulit. Mga sticker sheets, sticker flakes. So, ito yung una. Then, ito. Also, this one. And this one. And mga Sanrio sticker flakes. Bubuksan ko tong nakaset. Wait lang. Then, I'll show you. So, these are Zoton stickers. So, yan. Super cute. Ang cute talaga pag ganito yung colors. Mga pink, pastel. So, ayan. Meron ding ibang small mochi na stickers. And so, that's it guys. Ito yung stationery haul ko for today.